This is news from Family Council. Last week, the Springdale City Council discussed plans to install a safe haven baby box in one of the city's fire stations, according to the Arkansas Democrat Gazette. Arkansas's Safe Haven Act protects children from being abandoned. It lets a woman surrender her newborn infant to law enforcement personnel, fire department personnel, or medical personnel without facing prosecution. Similar laws are on the books in all 50 states. Act 185 of 2019 by Senators Cecile Bledsoe and Representative Rebecca Petty improved Arkansas's Safe Haven law. It lets fire stations install safe haven boxes, sometimes called baby boxes, where women can anonymously place their newborn. Last May, a baby was safely surrendered using a safe haven box at a fire station in Benton, Arkansas. Laws like Arkansas's Safe Haven Act protect the lives of unborn children by giving women options besides abortion. Family Council, promoting, protecting, and strengthening traditional family values in Arkansas. Visit us online at familycouncil.org.